Crude has shown a good swing, achieving the highs at 82.6 levels, has seen a good reversal with the US indices and commodities. At the same time, natural gas is traded bearish throughout yesterday and in fact has achieved lows at 3.1. Now, what to expect today for these two? Whether it is going to drop again or we can see a possible bounce back, and if yes, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. Do watch till the end here, and also pressing the bell icon will keep you updated with the next analysis for crude oil, which will be released before US session, so do watch that also exactly after 10 hours from now. Now let's start. And if you look at crude oil's hourly chart, you can see it is trying to consolidate a bit. Higher lows and lower highs are seen. Once it trades beyond 79.6, you can buy, but then remember $80 levels, 80.4, and then you can see 81 till 81, it has got very strong resistance there on the upside. Only if it trades above 81, you can consider that it is trying to trade bullish. Also at the same time, see, this was the time when the bullish run or the bullish channel on oil has started, and you can also refer here 78.44 levels. Now if it breaks past this zone at 78.4, you can expect further lows are expected on oil, where you can expect first target at around 77.6 and then 76.8 levels, and the support here at 76, 75 and 74. 74 is a very strong support. We had seen that earlier, that it has created a base at 74 and shown a rise. But see, after this good bullish run, it is trying to break out on the downside. It can particularly extend the range on the downside here. Now if you look at the directional movement, here it is bearish. The stochastic is extremely oversold, and hence a little retracement on the upside can be expected before it resumes the downward journey. The directional, the MACD is divergent and bearish. Possibly it can converge from here. The RSI is also trading oversold here. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, so far if you connect the dots from here to here, oil was trading in this bullish channel, and now it has already given a breakout here, and hence only bullish possibility is once it trades beyond 79.6 level. That is the only level beyond which you can buy. You can expect 80, 80.4, and then beyond that it can try to attempt and achieve 81. Else there is always a very strong possibility. Now first it has to break past this zone here at 78.2, then see till 77.6 it has got very good support, and below that 77, 76, and this is going to be the immediate strongest support at 74.5. But whether it is going to drop till there or not, let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic oversold. See, everything is oversold, and hence a possible retracement on the upside can be expected till 79.5, 79.6 levels. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is also trading at bottom here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, creating the smaller steps here, it is again giving a breakout. See, this is an expanding zone. It might get the support at 78. We'll watch out for this 78.2 and 78 levels. Below that 77.6 and 77 to be seen. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at oversold zone. The MACD is divergent and bearish here too. It is looking downwards. The RSI is also trading near to the bottom. And if you look at 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similarly, you have to wait for it to break past this zone in order to trade bullish, else it may continue to give a breakout. This candle is about to close in next 15 minutes. I'll wait for the next candle. If next candle stretches the bearish momentum, possibly it can land at 77, and then further drop on the downside can also be expected. Directional movement crossing here for the sell entry after trading bullish for long. The stochastic has come to oversold zone, and if you look at the MACD, this is crossed over, this is divergent and bearish, and this crossover is happening at a high. Possibly it can continue to trade a little more bearish from here. RSI is still looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, the next candle on this chart has not yet started, but look at the range here, 82.6 to 78.6. almost $4 of range, and which makes 80.6 as the pivot here. So only and only if you see it trading beyond 80.6, you can consider that it is trying to reverse and retrace. Else this is the first bearish candle. The next candle, when it starts on this chart, you can expect it to give a second red candle, taking it for 77 76 levels, and in fact further drop can take it further down. Now on the daily charts also, one must not forget, this is how oil is trading so far, and this is the bullish channel. The support here at 75.5 76 is very strong, and specifically at 74. Only and only if oil is seen trading below 74 in the coming days, you can expect it is going to crash further. Directional movement on the daily charts is bullish. Stochastic was overbought, and that is why we can see a sharper reversal here. Possibly it can continue the downward journey for a little while. The MACD divergent and bullish. The RSI is looking down here again. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell oil at 78.2 and buy at 79.6 levels. In between these $1.5, I will recommend you to stay away from trading crude oil. As it has seen a sharper drop, there is a possibility of a retracement. A retracement on the upside is possible till 79.6, the first target, then say 80.2 the next, and then 80.6. Only and only if it breaks past 80.6 and 81 levels, you can consider that there is a bullish reversal. Else it can continue with achieving the highs. It can again reverse for the drop there. So be cautious, stay alert on the upside, and on the downside, it's staying below 78.2 levels. You can expect 77.6, 77, 76.5, 75, and 75.5 levels as the maximum support zone. Now till 75.5, you have to stay cautious. Only and only if oil drops below 74, in any case, you can consider that as a breakout, and then for near future also, you can stay short for 70 and 67 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on first week of February. This is the 19th batch. Reach out to me for more details on same. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at natural gas on the hourly charts. Natural gas on the hourly charts, you can find out that NG on the hourly charts is trying to consolidate a bit. On the near term, once it trades beyond 3.18 or 3.2 levels, you can buy for 3. So once it trades above 3.2, you can expect 3.24 as the first resistance, and once it trades above this zone at 3.26, then you can confirm that it is trying to reverse for 3.3 and plus levels. Else it is always possibility for it to continue with the downward momentum. At the same time, on the downside, I will wait for it to break past 3.13 levels, below which you can expect 3.1, and below which it can continue with the downward move. So in between 3.13 and 3.2 levels, do not trade net gas. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic looking down. The MACD has taken a bullish cross here. It is trading with little divergence, and see, this crossover is also happening at a fairly low level. So the possibility of it to reverse again exists. RSI trading near to the bottom, though it has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, on the 2-hour charts, higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Possibly once it breaks past 3.2 levels, you can expect further bullishness might take it till towards 3.25, and beyond that 3.28. Beyond that, it is going to rise for 3.32 and then 3.4 levels. So staying above 3.2, we can stay long for net gas. Only sell entries below 3.13. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic rising from the oversold levels. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge. The RSI is trading oversold near to the bottom there. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also similar observation, trying to consolidate. Wait for it to break out below 3.13. You can expect 3.1 as the first target, and below that further bearishness might take it for 3.06, 3.02 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold rising there. The MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts. See, couple of pullback candles, but see, still the movement is very minuscule, and hence it needs to break past 3.2 in order to trade bullish. Then definitely 3.2426 zone, and beyond that further bullishness. On the downside below 3.13 definitely more bearishness can be seen. Directional movement is bearish here. The stochastic is oversold, the MACD is divergent and bearish, RSI is trying to look downwards again. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts, it is given a breakout here. This is the first red candle. So after consolidating here for few days, it is giving a breakout, and this is the first candle. Possibly if it breaks further below 3.1, you can expect another red candle which might take it below 3. That is the first part to it, and only confirmation of bullishness is if it trades beyond 3.4 levels. Till 3.4 we need to stay alert, and 3.4 levels means a symmetrical candle should appear from here. Then the next candle should break past beyond 3.45 tomorrow, and then you can consider this for a reversal. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic near to bottom. MACD has crossed over for the buy side, however looking forward to converge crossover for sell again. And RSI is trading extremely sold, oversold, extremely bearish. Considering this, you can sell net gas today at 3.13, buy at 3.2. On the upside till 3.4, you have to trail your stop losses. Do not consider this as a reversal till it trades below 3.4. On the downside, below 3.1, it can show you good drop till towards 3.06, 3.02 levels. But remember, today the inventory data for crude oil and net gas may bring volatility, and it can bounce back strongly on the upside as net gas is trading extremely oversold. So possibility for it to retrace again on the upside exists, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Do join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Thank you.